Daly City Police Department. Nakaantabay na ang Team Ride Along. Si Pinoy Patrol Officer Hans Castillo ang itinalagang angkasa ng aming grupo sa pagpapatrolya. Matapos ang briefing na sinagawa ng mga patrol officer na magpapatrolya sa shift na ito,
going to a call of a disturbance between a mother and a daughter. Looks like some kind of disagreement or something, which is typical between, parents and their children.
Subalit, pumasok sa medical response call ang kaso dahil ayon sa reporting party, may problemang medical o sakit sa pag-iisip ang subject.
So the dispatcher said that the reporting party sounded like she wasn't really all there, which is somewhat typical, where one person looks like it might have been somewhat 5150.
Isang residential area sa Daly City ang pinanggalingan ng tawag. Minabuti ni Officer Castillo na hintayin muna ang kanyang backup bago dumiretso sa target na bahay. Ilang minuto lang lumipas, dumating ng ikalawang patrol officer. Sa bukana pa lang, mainit na ang mata ng babaeng ito sa camera ng Team Ride Along.
I don't want the camera.
Okay.
Inakala nito na ang camera ng Team Ride Along ay isang news crew sa Daly City, California.
Is this the news?
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Can you come in?
Hey, I'm right over here.
You want to talk here or you want to talk upstairs?
I'm not sure. I don't care. I don't
Okay,
care.
then.
Who else is here?
My brother and my mom.
Okay.
brother and your
Do you
mom?
want to go talk to the mom?
Maya-maya lang tuluyan ang nakapasok sa bahay si Officer Castillo para kausapin ang reporting party. Ayon sa babaeng tumawag na ina ng subject, may sakit sa pag-iisip ang kanyang anak, kaya nagawa nitong manakot sa mga kasama sa bahay.
She's just. So I said to my so I told my nephew, go back to your mother. It's not safe because it's 5 months.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So we moved yesterday.
Sa pag-iimbestiga ni Officer Castillo, hindi lang ito ang unang insidente ng kaguluhan.
My son is not safe. Threatens.
What is she looking for?
Matapos ang pakikipag-usap sa loob ng bahay, gumawa ng report sina Officer Castillo at ang kanyang backup patrol officer na ilagay sa hold order ang subject na pasyente.
We're going to place her on a hold, psychiatric hold.
Isa sa ilalim ng pasyente sa pagsusuri sa isang psychiatric home.
At the hospital, the ambulance, they're safe. So we just got to write up some forms now, why we believe she should be placed on a hold, and then the medics will come and transport her to the hospital.
Matapos ma-inspeksyon ang lahat ng gamit ng pasyente, dumating na ang mga paramedics ng Daly City na i-dispatch ng 911. Ipinaliwanag ni Pinoy Patrol Officer Castillo sa mga paramedics ang sitwasyon. Saka isinakay ang pasyente sa paramedics emergency vehicle upang i-endorse ito sa ospital sa kanilang syudad.